Good morning, Forney. My name is Chief John Holcomb with the Forney Fire Department. The excitement is building here at the Forney Fire Station number 2 with the addition and remodel. So I'm going to give you a quick tour today of all the excitement that's going on out here, building a better future for our family here at the fire department to help your family. So come on in, let's take a tour. All right, our Forney family, this is the entryway. Over here used to be our report writing room. Now this has been turned into a public restroom when it's complete. Citizens will still be able to come in this area, get blood pressure checks. So once we come in here, this will be the new airlock with all the cancer and the fire service. It protects everything, the carcinogens and stuff are out in the bay. This kind of protects it from the living area. This will be the new report writing room. There'll be countertop with several computers in this area, and then they'll have a window that they can actually look out into the bay. Captain's office is pretty well staying the same. They're just doing a refresh on it. This will be new storage. This will be the new IT room. So once you come in here, this will be the second captain's office. This is where they do their laundry. Still doing a lot of construction. So this is the big day room. And then in the kitchen area over here, they're getting a new stove, new countertops and stuff like that, but the kitchen will stay pretty much as it is. So out here, they put a cover. Before, there was no cover, so when the guys were outside, there was really no protection. So we added an awning out here. We put more of a privacy fence up, and they'll have some grills and stuff out here where they can do it. It's kind of their outdoor kitchen area. This used to be the workout room, so they basically added 4 additional bedrooms. Again, there's room, there'll be a bed, there'll be a small desk, the crews can study and stuff. Lockers will be in this little cutout right here. We are upgrading the station to have station alerting system. Right now, when the deal goes up, it wakes everybody up, and it's pretty dramatic in the middle of the night. With the station alerting, it's only going to activate in the rooms, so it's going to be a great improvement for the guys. See, we're getting close. They're doing the painting. So hopefully, middle of next month, we've got substantial completion on the station. So now we have the 4 restrooms, so you're going to have the commode, their own private showers. So again, it gives them more privacy. And before they did the remodel, this was actually a solid wall here, and this was a room here. This is where the lawn storage and the cascade room and all that. They tore all this out. They cut the wall out and added a door here, just so now we got a full drive-through bay. When you're looking back over here, this was a 2.5 bay station. When the remodel is complete, it'll be a 4 drive-through bay station. So we added an additional bay. Now come on in, the guys are hanging out. The crews out here had to move over, but this will be the cascade workroom once everything's complete. So this is their new gear storage room. With all the cancer and stuff, this is a sealed room. It'll have ventilation that ventilates all the carcinogens and stuff outside. So again, everybody's got a rack, store all their gear when they're off duty. This is their new workout room, the current bedroom for the crews. We'll have TVs up on the wall, some for the station alerting. We'll have double doors here that go outside where they can do some CrossFit stuff. There's a covered patio and an AstroTurf area out there where the crews can work out and stay healthy. One of the most exciting features is a new training tire that we're adding to the station for the crews to be able to train. Also, all this area back here was grass and dirt, so now we got a bigger concrete area. Let's go look at the training tire. We're real excited about this. The training tire gives us scenarios where we can throw ladders. We've got rappelling stuff. Actually up on the roof, there's anchor points to do rappelling. Again, a lot of stuff the crews have got to train on to keep their skills up. So as we come in, we'll be able to spray water, flow water in this area. We've got a practice standpipe system in here where we can tie in from the outside, kind of like we do on a real fire. You'll see there'll be hose connection valves on each floor. So if we're at the apartments or a multi-story building, the guys come in with their high-rise packs, hook in, and then go up to the additional floor. And then in here, small training room area where they can do different scenarios. We've actually got some partition walls that'll be here October where they can come up here and set up a maze to do some SCBA training. And they all interlock together, but you can change up the floor plan and all that. So again, we're real excited about this area. It just gives us some more options for training to keep. They're also going to add another opening here. We're actually going to put a round manhole up there where, again, they can start on the 3rd floor, go all the way down to the 1st floor, package up a patient, and then use a hauling system with ropes to bring the person back up to simulate somebody trapped down in a manhole. So again, now we're on the 3rd floor. Again, another room for training. We also got a balcony out here where we can simulate additional training. And we set it up where you can see all the apartments next to us. They all got balconies, so we can bring stuff up. We got a window here in the door, so it gives us a lot of options for training. This is the 3rd floor, the little training room. This we set up to simulate in the grocery store, hotels and stuff where you got the roof access to get up on top to get the AC units and all that. We also got another opening on the far wall where we can do ladder, rope rappelling. And then this door here takes us out onto the roof of the current station where we can do some different training evolutions out here. Thanks everybody for going on the tour today. We'll put out stuff on social media. Once all this is done, we're gonna have a grand reopening instead of a ribbon cut and a hose uncoupling for our new remodeled addition to Station 2. Thank y'all.